2005 Porsche Cayenne, and applies to other year model as well. 17104 for input shaft speed inductive pickup. 17099 input shaft speed, turbine speed, inductive pickup. 300 for ATF temperature sensor. You might have more or less codes than this, but I'm sure it is all transmission related. Now when we try to clear the codes, let's do that right now. Erase fault codes. Yes. You'll see that the transmission indicator will go back to park and the check engine light is out. But when you turn off the vehicle and turn it on again, it just comes back. It's back to the D and shade and the check engine light. The shield consists of two parts, the front shield and the middle shield, or the belly pan shield. Now to take it off, you got to take off the front shield first, then the middle shield. But I think I can get away with taking off just the middle shield because, as you can see at the end, it is drooping, so they didn't put it on the slot where it's supposed to hang on so it doesn't droop like that. This is a 10mm bolt, so use a 10mm socket and wrench. Alright, now it's, the whole thing is gonna drop down, I think, or might something still be holding it towards the end. Okay, there's spring clips over there. Okay, for the back, just have to take it off the clip, and there you go. We got the middle cover out. With the bottom panel out or middle panel out, we can go through the passenger side to reach the wiring harness. These are the three connectors that's coming from the transmission going to the TCM. Okay, the connector's out, and look at that. Look at all the oil in it. Oh my goodness. I'm messing up the camera.
Two hours later.
And just like that, our wire connectors are dry and reconnected. So let's go inside and clear the codes. Okay, I let the scan run through because it takes a while. As you can see, the check engine light is still on and the shifter indicator is still on D. So we're gonna reset the errors on the vehicle. Let's read it. Same one. Erase code. And clear. Okay, then we're gonna take it out of the DME as well. Read codes. Meal request was from the transmission error. Race code. Ignition on, engine off. Clear. Alright, went back to P. And now we're going to restart the vehicle. Alright, check engine's gone. Back to normal P. And let's see. Got other codes, not related, but just to check. We still have a code for our Tiptronic transmission. No faults, yay. Alright, DME. Read codes. No faults detected. Alright, that was it. So cleaning the wiring harness that goes from the transmission to the TPM cleared the code. And that is how to repair the check engine light with a transmission error on this 2005 Porsche Cayenne. And it has been verified that newer models have the same issue, and you can do this process to fix the error as well.